Hi friends, my name is Erik Johnson and I'm here with Teddy. And I'm from TVIA and I'll be reading David Goes to School by David Shannon. David's teacher always said, "No, David. No yelling. No pushing. No running in the halls." "David, you're tardy." "Sit down, David. Don't chew gum in class." "David, raise your hands." "Pay attention." "Wait your turn, David." "I don't care who started it." "David, recess is over." "Shh." Again. "That's it, mister. You're staying after school." "David, have you finished?" "Good job, David." "Yes, David. You can go home now."